Well, we're just north of Hot, H-O-T, Thailand. I can't imagine how they came up with such a name. My eyes are burning and I'm sniffling. The burning going on that you can see down here is just got the whole valley filled with smoke. Well, this is something of a relief. The last time I was down here, the entire lake was drained. The houseboats were sitting in a mud flats, and it was a rather disappointing trip. All of those are floating restaurants. Well, I had to stop and let the blood go back to where I sit. It had vacated. This is just a little irrigation pond that's a nice and quiet place to stop. It's got a overhead cover, which makes it nice too.